not funny. There's nothing funny about that. All right, Paul Kacheroff with 423buyland.com. Wonderful day. Another update video, I believe it's number 4 or 5. Lot 55, you know that we have the electric up. I showed you the electric box. I've walked it and talked about this lot, but we finally have the utilities installed. And I'm very, very proud to show you this was done today. All right, look down there. Okay. Here's the newly installed, what they call the clean out. And over here is where I'm going to connect my line to. And I'm going to run that line past that electric box, about another 10, 15 feet. And we got water. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's a thing of beauty. It sure is. Ah, there's your new water. We got to get a tap on that. We need to get a tap on there since we got to clean this road. I have a feeling they're not going to come back, and I want to get the pressure cleaner and get this completely clean. That curb appeal is important. Man, why does the county have to do this? Why? It's unbelievable. But you know what? It is what it is. You improvise, you adapt, and then you overcome everything, of course. We're going to go to the back of lot 55 right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to try to locate the back survey markers. It's a sensational day. It's beautiful, and we had nothing else better to do. Anyway, Paul Kacheroff, 423 Buy Land. Good luck. Call me anytime.